Welcome back, students. This class is mine for the SEM 5 DSE students, that is the artificial inseminations to be continued. Today children, we will deal with the induction of early puberty. Early puberty in cattle. What does this induction means? Induction means that implementation. The use of ECG, that is the hormone, or the GnRH. These both are the hormone. The use of ECG associated with GnRH is effective to induce early puberty in cattle from 140 days old to promoting puberty to occur as estrus with no loss of rate of pregnancy, even for the size of the average weight. So both of the hormone promotes the reproductive parts, reproductive assertions in the cattle, either whatsoever the weight, height or the quality type is. Estrus cycle is the rhythmic change that occur in reproductive system of females, that starting from the estrus phase to another. The normal duration of estrus cycle is of 21 days. 21 days conduction for estrus cycle, which promotes to the menstrual cycle. In cow, sow and mare, the species which exhibit a single estrus cycle are known as monoestrus. So estrus is divided into two, monoestrus and polyestrus. Monoestrus means having one cycle at a time, but polyestrus means can go for multiples, more than one or two, that is the polyestrus cycle. Cattle undergoes estrus throughout the year. The estrus inducers are divided into, get it noted children? Get it done? Artificial induction include two of the hormones promotion, that is ECG and GnRH. Within 21 days, the processes of phases is known as estrus cycle. Estrus cycles is divided into two parts, monoestrus and polyestrus. Monoestrus for one, which is following the one phase, while progestrus, polyestrus is which is going for the twice or thrice. Written? Now next. Now next, the estrus inducers are divided into two parts. So, inducers of estrus divided into two parts. Non-hormonal, which doesn't initiate or the participation is not much or nowhere of the hormones, and other is the hormonal. It include plant derived heat inducer, mineral supplementation, uterine ovarian massage, Lugol's iodine. So nowhere the hormones are taking any types of participation, but in hormonal it includes estrogen. All you are aware of the hormone. This is the ovarian hormone. Progesterone, GnRH back again, gonadotropic hormone, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन, इंसुलिन एंड एंटीप्रोलैक्टिन. Based treatment, antiprolactin based treatment. So wheresoever the requirement of hormonal activities for the inducers during estrous cycle, they include all the hormonal processes, whereas where there is, it is the derived one, where it is the implementation is done, artificially techniques are used, that is the heat derived from plant inducers, mineral supplement, uterine, ovarian massage and the ligeliosis iodine. Get it noted, children? Done. Now let's move to the precocious puberty. What this precocious puberty is? Precocious puberty. Precocious puberty include in a majority of heifers. What these heifers belong? Heifers. Those cattle without giving birth or before mating. The one which have not yet participated for the copulation, those which have not participated toward the partners. वैसे बाछा या बछड़े जो कि अभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स नहीं है, जो अलग है, तो उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं हेफर्स. Weaned early and fed in a high concentrated diet, so it needs high concentrated diet and heat treatment. Heat treatment means estrus preparation for the estrus cycle. Puberty is a period at which sexually organs are functionally developed. Puberty at which? Let's talk about the human. What is the sign of our puberty? The sign for the female is biggest sign, that is the beginning of menstrual cycle. For the male, the biggest sign is these Adam's apples to be out. मर्दों में गले में ये निकल जाना, मांस का या हड्डी का, और महिलाओं में मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल का, मासिक धर्म का शुरू हो जाना. प्यूबर्टल स्टेज का सबसे बिगर कैरेक्टर यही है जिससे हम आइडेंटिफाई